let's get the business news. The National Assembly's Committee on Trade and Industry is probing how 139 40-feet containers of edible oil from Malaysia were sneaked out of a private container freight station in Mombasa. The 139 containers of cooking edible oil were intercepted in 2019 after the Kenya Revenue Authority, Kenya Bureau of Standards, and other government agencies raised a red flag on the basis that the consignment was not fit for human consumption.
Parliamentary Committee on Trade and Industry, chaired by Mandera South MP Adan Haji Ali, toured the facility after it emerged that 88 out of 139 containers had been released. The committee chair called upon the DCI to speed up the investigations to unravel how the condemned oil ended up in the local market and prosecute the culprits behind the theft syndicate.
53 containers have been stolen. They are gone.
Of oil that was condemned?
That was condemned. And sadly, they must have been converted to the local market. We are told that DCI is carrying out investigation. We believe this investigation cannot take forever. And it is not a rocket science to establish the liability, who is actually behind those stolen 53 containers.
Dagoretti South MP John Carey requested the committee to undertake an inquiry and report on the status of products seized by the multi-agency team. The Dagoretti South constituency legislature further stated that they need clarifications from the multi-agency team who were involved in the overseeing the exercise of the condemned edible oil.
The first thing that is a big concern for the public is if this foodstuff has left a bonded warehouse, where did it end up? Because chances are it ended up on your table and you're consuming poison.
The committee is in Mombasa to undertake physical inspection visits to about 8 CFA storage facilities to ascertain the status of the seized goods.
This investigation is revealing that there has been criminal activities happening at this CFS. Then I do reiterate what the chairman is saying, that this is actually a sin that should be taken up as a sin of crime and treated as such. Meaning that...
Reporting for Lunchtime News, Macau McBrien.